Hey everyone, my name is Des. In today's video, I'm showing you how to level up your coloring pages because we are making stickers at home with no fancy tools needed. If that sounds fun, stick around until the end of the video. Here's what you will need: a coloring page any size, coloring pens or crayons, parchment paper, scissors, and scotch tape. Alright, let's start by picking our coloring page. Here I am using the Ohuhu markers and it's linked in the description box. You can also grab the coloring book in my shop. You can either download a printable version or grab the physical book. Both links in the description. After adding the flat color, I am now going to add some shade. And now some lighting effect. I'm using the yellow shade. Lastly, some finishing touch to add more depth to it. This is really super fun to do. You can do it by yourself or with your kids at home. And this is the final product. It's actually so cute. Now let's test it out. That's it for today. If you had fun, please give it a like and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And see you next time.